you, Honorable Zula, to leave the house.
Iphinde yaphazamiseka inkulumo kaMengameli yesikhombisa bayibhekise ezweni izolo kusihlwa. Umholi we-ATM uvuyo Zungula ubengokuqala ukukhonjwa indlela. Kwase kulandela amalungu e-EFF ePhalamende emva kokuzama ukugibela la Umengameli Ramaphosa ebethula khona inkulumo. Isimo sibuyele kwesejwayelekile umsebenzi wosuku waqhubeka. Umengameli Ramaphosa uthe uhulumeni ubesebenzisa izincomo zophenyo lokwamandla kwamandla ombuso.
The National Anti-Corruption Advisory Council, consisting of people from across society, is in place to advise on suitable mechanisms to stem corruption, including the overhaul of the institutional architecture of combating corruption.
Kusenjalo, Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi isibonelelo semali engu 350 sizoqhubeka ukuzama ukunciphisa ingcindezelo edalwe uhlelo ucisha konga ugesi kanye nokumba iqolo kwezindleko zokuphila ebantwini.
And in support of this work to counter the rising costs of living, we will continue with the social relief of distress grant, which the Minister of Finance will talk to when he presents his budget, which currently reaches 7.8 million people. We will ensure that existing social grants, yes, are provided and are even increased to cushion the poor against rising inflation.
Uhulumeni ke wakulelizwe uzimisele ngokwethula uhlelo lokuhlolwa kobuqotho babantu abazoqashwa kuhulumeni nokuyinto ezoba impoqo. Umengameli Ramaphosa uvumileke ukuthi uhulumeni akakwazanga ukuphothula ayekuthembisile ezinsukwini eziyikhulu ngenxa yezimo ezithize. Kunemkhakha ke yahlukene ezosebenza ngokubambisana.